Do you have any free space on your walls which look a bare space? Then, consider adding a wall-hanging wooden piece, which serves both function and aesthetics. Wall-hanging wood furniture refers to various types of furniture pieces that are mounted on walls, rather than placed on the floor. This category includes items like shelves, cabinets, racks, and decorative accents made from wood. These pieces are designed to be fixed to the wall, providing functionality and style without taking up valuable floor space. There are several reasons why wall-hanging wood furniture is beneficial. One reason is space efficiency. Wall-mounted furniture maximizes vertical space, making it ideal for smaller homes or apartments. This design helps keep floors clear, creating a more open and spacious feel in a room. Organization is another benefit of using wall-mounted wooden pieces. Wall-hanging furniture provides practical storage solutions. Items like wall shelves and organizers can help keep belongings neatly arranged and easily accessible, reducing clutter and enhancing organization. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of wall-hanging small woodworking projects ideas you can make for profit. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Aesthetic appeal is another benefit of wall-hanging crafts. Wooden wall furniture adds warmth and character to a space. The natural beauty of wood can complement various decor styles, from rustic to modern, enhancing the overall aesthetic of a room. Their customization potential is also one of the reasons for the use of wall-mounted crafts. Many wall-mounted wooden pieces can be customized in terms of size, style, and finish. This allows homeowners to select items that fit their specific needs and personal tastes, contributing to a unique and personalized living environment. Regarding ease of access, wall-mounted items can be positioned at convenient heights, making them easy to reach. This is particularly useful for frequently used items, such as kitchen tools or decorative elements. Versatility-wise, wall-hanging furniture can serve multiple purposes. For instance, a wall-mounted shelf can display decorative items while also providing space for books or storage bins. This multi-functionality makes it a practical choice for various rooms in the home. Wall-mounted wooden furniture can serve as focal points in a room and hence enhance decor. Unique designs or artistic pieces can draw attention and create visual interest, enhancing the overall decor. Wall-mounted furniture is often easier to clean than traditional furniture. With less surface area on the floor, dust and debris can be managed more effectively. In summary, wall-hanging wood furniture is a functional and stylish solution for maximizing space, enhancing organization, and adding aesthetic appeal to any home. Its versatility and customization options make it an excellent choice for various living environments. Moreover, wall-mounted crafts can serve as gifts for various occasions, further broadening their market potential. Items such as personalized wall art, custom shelves, or decorative pieces make thoughtful and meaningful gifts for weddings, housewarmings, or birthdays. Woodworkers can promote their products as ideal gift options, especially during peak shopping seasons. By positioning their crafts as unique, meaningful gifts, woodworkers can tap into a lucrative market segment. The ability to experiment with different techniques and finishes is another appealing aspect of crafting wall-mounted items. Woodworkers can explore various woodworking methods, such as staining, painting, or distressing, to achieve different looks and styles. This experimentation not only enhances their craftsmanship, but also allows for the creation of diverse product lines. By offering a range of finishes and styles, woodworkers can cater to varied customer preferences and capture a larger market share. Additionally, wall-mounted wooden crafts can contribute positively to the overall aesthetic of a home. These items can enhance interior design by adding texture, warmth, and personality to walls. Consumers are often willing to invest in pieces that elevate their living environments, and wall-mounted crafts can fulfill this desire. By showcasing the versatility and beauty of wood, woodworkers can appeal to customers seeking to enhance their home decor. The process of creating wall-mounted crafts can also serve as a source of stress relief and fulfillment for woodworkers. Engaging in a hands-on, creative activity can promote mindfulness and provide a sense of accomplishment. The satisfaction of seeing a project come to life can be immensely rewarding, contributing to overall well-being. This positive emotional state can translate into a more passionate approach to crafting, ultimately resulting in higher quality products. Furthermore, the potential for passive income is an attractive aspect of wall-mounted wooden crafts. Once a woodworker establishes a successful product line, they can continue to produce and sell items with relative ease. For example, creating a series of popular wall art designs can lead to ongoing sales with minimal additional effort. This passive income potential can provide financial stability and freedom, allowing woodworkers to focus on other creative endeavors or expand their businesses further. The trend towards home improvement and personalization has also fueled the demand for wall-mounted crafts. As people spend more time in their homes, they seek ways to enhance their spaces and make them more reflective of their personalities. Wall-mounted wooden crafts offer a unique opportunity for individuals to express their style and preferences. By tapping into this trend, woodworkers can position themselves as providers of personalized decor that resonates with consumers looking to elevate their living environments. As the market for wall-mounted wooden crafts continues to grow, woodworkers can benefit from staying informed about industry trends and consumer preferences. Engaging in market research, attending trade shows, and networking with other artisans can provide valuable insights into emerging opportunities. By remaining adaptable and responsive to market demands, woodworkers can ensure the long-term success of their craft businesses. In summary, wall-mounted wooden craft projects offer numerous benefits for woodworkers seeking to make a profit. From low material costs and minimal waste to versatility and customization potential, these projects provide a unique opportunity to tap into a lucrative market. The artistic fulfillment and emotional connections fostered by crafting these items can enhance the overall experience for woodworkers, contributing to their growth and success in the industry. By leveraging these advantages, woodworkers can carve out a niche in the market and enjoy the rewards of their creativity and craftsmanship. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked wall-hanging small woodworking projects ideas you can make for profit. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you'll be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.